Hi guys, here 9 minus 3 is 6 divided by 3 plus 1 times 6. Here 6 divided by 3 is 2 plus 1 times 6. Here 2 plus 1 is 3 times 6. Here 3 times 6 is 18 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operations PEMDAS, this 18 is the wrong answer. Now we are going to introduce that PEMDAS rule from order of operation. Here, this is a bracket, higher priority, this is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here, multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also, this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce that another rule called left to right in the problem. Now, we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. We don't have bracket in this problem. Also, this exponent. Here, next priority is multiplication division. Here we have subtraction, division, addition, and multiplication. Division is higher priority than this addition and subtraction. Also, this multiplication is higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So, we have to do this division and multiplication before this addition and subtraction. So, 9 minus 3 divided by 3 is 1. Plus 1 times 6 is 6. Here we have subtraction and addition. Both are equal priority. We are going to follow here left to right in the problem. Here left to right is 9 minus 1. 9 minus 1 is 8 plus 6. Here 8 plus 6 is 14 is the correct answer.